Morning children, how are you all? Welcome to the class. So today I am going to teach you air transport. And what are the vehicles we use in air transport. So what is today's class, children? What is air transport and what are the vehicles we use in air transport, right? Okay, let us start the class, children. Okay, in previously we had discussed what is transport and land transport and the vehicles we are used in land transport, right? So the second category in transport is air transport, or the second modes of transport is air transport. Okay, air transport. Why we use air transport? Means, see children, means if we want to go from one country to another country by road, it is impossible. There may be route from one place to another place. There may not be road to move from one place to another place. So, to go from one country to another country or to go for long distance, we all use air transport. So, to go from one country to another country, we all use air transport. Okay, children. So, see here, all of you. These are the vehicles used in air transport. First one is rocket. Second one is helicopter. Third one is aeroplane. Fourth one is parachute. Fifth one is jet. Okay, let us see why we use these vehicles. Okay, what was the first one? Rocket. First one is rocket. So rocket is very fast movable vehicle. Rocket is very fastest vehicle. It moves very fastly. So generally rocket is used by our astronauts. So generally rockets are used to go to planets. Rockets are used to go for planet place. You all listen news, no? So when you listen to news, they said that in news we heard that yes, Indian peoples went to moon or went to sun or went to planets. So the astronauts use rocket to go to planets. So that is a useful of rocket. And second one is helicopter. So in this helicopter, only few peoples means only some peoples can travel in the helicopter. It is also useful to go from one country to another country. So in helicopter, there will be only few people. Okay. And third one is aeroplane. So you all see aeroplanes, right? Not only directly. You can see these aeroplanes in movies also, children, right? In movies also. Aeroplane is also used to go from one place to another place. It may be go from one country to another country, or one city to another city, or one city to another city. When we want to go fastly, then we will use aeroplane. So we reach the place very fast than the land transport. Okay children, so aeroplanes is not only used for go from one country to another country, it is also used for go for one city to another city. City means not our behind cities. It takes some long distance. For example, if you want to go Rajahmundry to Hyderabad, we can take flight. Or if you want to go to Bangalore, Rajahmundry to Bangalore, we can take flight. Okay, like that. Means some more very far distance, not very far distance, some more less far distance, then we will use aeroplane. Okay children, this is about aeroplane. And fourth one is parachute. Fourth one is parachute. It is also used for only 2 or 3 people. It depends upon the size of the parachute children. It depends upon the size of the parachute. Size of the parachute. So it is also used to go from one place to another place. Okay. And third one is jet. Third one is jet. It is also one of the types in planes children. One of the type in plane. Jet is also used to go from one place to another place. Okay children, this is about today's air transport. So what type of vehicles we see in air transport children? Rocket, helicopter, aeroplane, parachute, jet. Right? So this is about today's class. Yes, yesterday I gave you a activity on land transport, right? Yes, everyone did very well children. Like that today, all you do, what you have to do is like that same activity do in a transport. Okay children? So this is about today's class. Let us meet in tomorrow's class. All of you have a nice day. Bye children.